Mom, can I play my game now?
Sure, Jack. Remember, 30 minutes only.
Okay. 30 minutes. Jack, it's been an hour. You said 30 minutes. One more level. Just one more. That's what you said an hour ago.
Jack, screen time was over a long time ago.
But I'm almost at the boss level.
Rules are rules, buddy.
Just 5 more minutes, please? If I'm quiet, nobody will know. Jack, you're supposed to be asleep. Shh. Don't tell Mom and Dad.
Jack, why are you so tired?
I don't know.
Did you use the tablet after bedtime?
Maybe a little.
Jack, that's why we have screen time rules. Your body needs rest.
I'm sorry. I just didn't want to stop playing. I feel bad. I broke my promise, and now I'm too tired to even enjoy my day. Maybe next time you can try it differently. Yeah. Let's try again, the right way.
Sure, Jack. 30 minutes, and I'll set a timer.
Good idea. That way I won't lose track of time. There's the timer. Time to stop.
Wow! You stopped right away.
Yeah, I don't want to lose my evening reading time with Dad.
I'm proud of you for stopping on time, Jack.
Thanks, Dad. This story is actually really fun, too.
See? There's more than one fun thing in a day.
Here, Mom. I don't need this at night.
That's a great choice, Jack. Sleep well.
Good night, Mom.
You look well rested today, Jack.
I feel great. I slept so well.
See? Following the rules feels good too.
You're right, Lily. I like this way much better.
So, kids, what did we learn today?
Screen time rules aren't there to stop the fun. They're there to protect it. Good choices help our bodies and our family.
And breaking a promise, even a small one, can make things harder for everyone, including you.
I'm gonna stick to the timer from now on. Remember at breakfast when Jack couldn't keep his eyes open? What do you think caused that? Tell us in the comments. 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes left, and look what happened to my shoes. The ribbon is cut, and there's paint all over them. How? I can't dance in front of everyone with shoes like this.
Good morning, dancer. Are you excited for your big recital today?
I've been practicing my turns all week, Mom. I don't want to mess up.
It's gonna be great, sweetie. Just breathe.
You won't mess up. You've worked so hard, and we'll be right there watching every second.
Yeah, and if you forget a step, just spin faster. Nobody will notice. Jack, that's not helpful, but it's a little funny.
on, everyone! Grab your bags! We can't be late for the theater!
Mom, did you pack my new shoes with the pink ribbon?
Right on top of your bag, sweetheart. Safe and sound.
I still think you should wear your lucky socks with the stars on them, too. Maybe under my tights, where nobody can see. That could be our secret.
We're almost there. I can already see the theater lights.
There's my star dancer. Go find your spot and warm up, Lily. You're gonna shine today.
I'll stay close by in case you need anything before you go on stage. Everyone keeps saying Lily's gonna win the Little Star Trophy this year. I just want to dance my best, Chloe. It's not really about winning. Sure, whatever you say.
That was a strange thing to say. I don't trust her.
My shoes! Look at my shoes! The ribbon is cut and there's paint everywhere. Someone did this on purpose. I saw Chloe standing near your bag earlier. I don't have time to be angry. What am I supposed to wear now?
Don't panic, little one. I'm the costume keeper here. Let me see what I can find. I have an extra pair of practice shoes in your size and fresh ribbon, too.
I can tie the ribbon fast. Dad taught me a strong knot for camping. Please hurry. I can hear the music starting already.
Hold still and breathe. We have just enough time.
Lily, you're on in 1 minute. Are you ready?
I think so. My hands are still shaking a little.
Lily, that was beautiful. You didn't miss a single step.
I'm so proud of you. That takes real courage, dancing after a scare like that.
My legs still feel wobbly, but I did it. I was jealous, and I ruined her shoes. I feel terrible about it now.
Jealousy can make us do things we regret, Chloe. The right thing is to say sorry.
Lily, I'm sorry. I cut your ribbon because I was jealous of you. That was wrong. Would you maybe practice with me sometime? I want to get better too.
What Lily showed today matters more than any trophy. She stayed calm and kept trying.
That's the real lesson, kids. When something goes wrong, you fix it together instead of giving up.
Quick question before you go. What color was the ribbon on Lily's very first pair of shoes this morning? Tell us in the comments. Look at this lake. It's so blue and calm. This is going to be a wonderful day.
It really is. Jack, Lily, grab your life jackets from the bag before we step on the boat.
Do we really need them, Dad? The water looks perfectly still.
Dad said we need them, Lily. Come on, don't argue about it today.
Welcome aboard, everyone. My name is Ray, and I'll be your guide on the lake today.
Keep your life jackets on the whole time. Mine is bright orange, so you can always find me fast if you need help. There's a small storage cabin at the back of the boat. Please stay out of it while we're moving. The door locks by itself for safety.
That's strange. Why would a door just lock itself?
It's an old safety feature from years ago. Just stay away from it, and everyone will be perfectly safe today.
Look at those mountains. And I think I can see ducks near the shore.
Jack, quick! Take a picture before they swim away!
I'm trying! Lily, stop shaking the boat. You're gonna make my photo blurry.
Sorry. I just really want to see the ducks up close, too.
Whoa! What was that? Is everyone all right?
I think we hit a rock. Wait, where is Lily?
She was sitting right here a second ago. Lily, where are you?
Help! I'm stuck inside. The door is bent and water is coming in fast.
I can hear her. She's inside the cabin, and the crash must have bent the door.
The hinge is completely bent. I can't force this door open from out here.
We don't have much time. Listen, the water is rising fast inside there.
Ray, please, call for more help. We need another boat right now.
I'm calling the rescue station now, but they're at least 10 minutes away.
Lily, listen to me carefully. There's a small window on the side. Can you reach it?
I can see it, but it's too high. I can't reach it alone.
Then I'm coming in through the water myself. Stay calm, take a deep breath, and wait for me. Grab my hand. Push with your legs, just like Dad taught us at the pool. I'm scared, but I trust you, Jack. I'm pushing as hard as I can.
There they are. Grab the rope quickly and pull them up.
I've got you, sweetheart. You're safe now, I promise. You're safe.
Oh, thank goodness. My two brave, brave children.
I'm sorry I didn't listen. I should have stayed away from that door.
You're safe, and that's what matters most today. But always listen to safety rules, okay? Your life jackets kept you both floating until help could reach you. That's exactly why we wear them.
I was really scared too, but I knew I couldn't just sit there and do nothing.
That's real bravery, Jack, there. Staying calm and helping, even when you're frightened yourself.
From now on, we listen to every safety rule the very first time it's given. Agreed?
Agreed. And I promise I'll never go somewhere I'm not supposed to again. The most important thing is that we're all here together, safe and dry.
That's our family rule now. Stay safe, stay together, and always listen the first time.